Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Polestar 2 vehicle functions in the Polestar app for iPhone, iOS. After successfully pairing your Polestar app, all remote functions will be available, including lock and unlock the car using the Polestar app or the digital key. Remotely activate or deactivate the parking climatization system. Check the car's battery status and range. That's it. Thank you for watching and remember to subscribe.